The Isaac Newton mindset. When the name Isaac Newton is mentioned, it evokes a tapestry of historical intellectual associations. First and foremost, Newton symbolizes the scientific revolution, a transformative era marked by the emergence of empirical evidence based science and the abandonment of traditional faith based explanations. Newton's laws of motion occupy a central place in the pantheon of scientific principles. These laws elucidate the fundamental mechanics governing how objects move and interact, and his law of universal gravitation delineates the forces underpinning celestial motion. Newton's towering intellect is a recurring theme as he is widely regarded as one of history's preeminent scientific geniuses. His groundbreaking work reshaped physics and astronomy and reverberated across scientific disciplines. Beyond his scientific achievements, Newton's multifaceted interests included philosophy and alchemy. His philosophical writings explored epistemological questions and the nature of scientific inquiry, leaving an indelible mark on the philosophy of science. The apple and gravity myth, perhaps embellished, symbolizes Newton's insatiable curiosity and serendipitous moments of inspiration. It captures the essence of science. Scientists keenly attune the natural world's mysteries. In summary, Isaac Newton conjures a polymathic figure, a person of great and varied. His enduring legacy encompasses the scientific revolution, laws governing our universe, genius transcending generations, philosophical musings, and a memorable anecdote that encapsulates his scientific spirit. Isaac Newton was a highly influential English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, and philosopher. He is widely recognized as one of the most important and influential scientists in history, and his work laid the foundation for many areas. The Isaac Newton's mindset, a beacon of intellectual pursuit, embodies a profound dedication to the relentless quest for knowledge and understanding. It is a mindset that transcends time and inspires generations of thinkers and innovators, rooted in the principles championed by the eminent physicist and mathematician Isaac Newton. This mindset is a testament to the enduring power of inquiry, curiosity, and the pursuit of enlightenment. At its core, the Isaac Newton mindset is a celebration of the human spirit's boundless capacity to explore, question, and unravel the intricate tapestry of the universe. Central to this mindset is the recognition that mathematics, as the universal language of science, is the key to deciphering the universe's most profound secret. With patience and unwavering persistence, adherence to this mindset embark on a lifelong journey, facing every problem as an enigmatic puzzle awaiting their creative and rigorous solutions. As we delve deeper into the Isaac Newton mindset, we discover that it is not merely a solitary endeavor, but a collective one. It encourages us to stand on the shoulders of intellectual giants who came before us, reminding us that our capacity to see further is enhanced when we acknowledge the wisdom of those who paved the way. Curiosity, the lifeblood of this mindset, propels us to transform questions into revelations, and knowledge, once acquired, becomes a potent tool, innovation, and progress. In embracing the Isaac Newton mindset, we recognize that the world's intricate complexity can be unraveled through the elegance of profound ideas and the precision of mathematics. It is a mindset that continues to shape the very foundations of science, inspiring us to reach new heights in our pursuits of understanding the cosmos and our place within it. Isaac Newton, one of history's most influential scientists and mathematicians, had a remarkable mindset with several key attributes. The first key pillar of Isaac Newton's mindset is curiosity. Newton's insatiable curiosity served as the driving force behind his relentless scientific inquiries. His inquisitive mind led him to pose profound questions that will reshape the foundations of science, forever altering our understanding of the natural world. In his quest for knowledge, Newton delved into the intricacies of motion, gravity, light, and the behavior of objects, embarking on a journey that will leave on an indelible mark on the annals of scientific history. Newton's unquenchable thirst for understanding propelled him to explore the mysteries of motion. He pondered the forces governing the movement of, seeking to unravel the underlying principles that governed their power. He formulated the laws of motion through meticulous observation and rigorous experimentation, providing a comprehensive framework explaining how objects interacted in the physical realm. Gravity, another enigma of the cosmos, captured Newton's intellectual curiosity. He posed profound questions about the force that draws objects towards one another and conceived the law of universal gravitation. This groundbreaking insight revealed the invisible trends that bound celestial bodies in our universe, fundamentally altering our perception of the cosmos. Light, with its captivating property, beckoned Newton to explore its mysteries. He embarked on a journey to dissect the nature of light, conducting experiments with prisms that demonstrated its ability to disperse into a spectrum of colors. His work laid the foundation of optics, revealing the intricate interplay between light and matter, in addition to motion, gravity, and light. Newton's inquiries extended to the behavior of objects in various contexts. He explored the dynamics of fluid motion, the behavior of sound waves, and the properties of materials. His insatiable curiosity knew no bounds, pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge in diverse fields. Newton's profound questions and tireless pursuit of answers epitomize the essence of scientific mindset. His contribution unlocked the secrets of the natural world and set a precedent for generations of scientists to approach their inquiries with the same spirit of curiosity and dedication. Through his unwavering commitment to understanding the universe, Newton left an enduring legacy that inspires scientific exploration and discovery. The second key pillar of Isaac Newton's mindset is the independent thinker. Newton possessed a notable penchant for autonomous thinking, frequently embarking on solitary endeavors as he conducted experiments and forged his theories, displaying a penchant for independence that set him apart from many of his contemporaries. His penchant for self-reliance was conspicuous in his approach to scientific inquiry, as he meticulously charted a course of individual exploration, often with limited reliance on collaborative efforts with fellow scientists. In his relentless pursuit of knowledge, Newton frequently opted for seclusion, immersing himself in a world of solitude where he could channel his thoughts and energy into pursuing scientific truths. This preference for independent exploration was a defining characteristic of his scientific mindset, fostering an environment where he could meticulously examine the natural world's mysteries without the incumbrance external influence. Newton was known to conduct experiments of profound significance within his private laboratory and study confines. His dedication to empirical investigation was unwavering as he meticulously designed and executed experiments that would yield groundbreaking insights into the laws governing the physical universe. This solitary approach allowed him to maintain a singular focus on the intricacies of his inquiries, free from the distractions that collaborative research might entail. Newton's theories included those related to motion, gravity, and optics, bore the unmistakable imprint of his independent thinking. His solitude provided him with the intellectual space needed to contemplate the profound questions that had captivated his imagination, resulting in the formulation of enduring principles that will shape the trajectory of scientific thought for generations to come. While collaboration has long been regarded as a cornerstone of scientific advancement, Newton's preference for independent thought offers a compelling testament to the capacity of individual exploration to yield profound insight. His legacy as an independent thinker is an enduring source of inspiration for those who venture into scientific inquiry, illustrating the remarkable potential that can be unlocked through the unyielding pursuit of knowledge within the solace of solitude. The third a key pillar of Isaac Newton's mindset, mathematical precision. Newton harbored a profound belief in the formidable capacity of mathematics to elucidate and illuminate the intricacies of natural phenomena. This unwavering faith in the mathematical language is a tool for deciphering the mysteries of the universe, underpinned his scientific endeavors, resulting in a profound transformation of the field of physics and the establishment of a bedrock upon which modern science will be constructed. Newton's embrace of mathematics was not merely incidental but pivotal, to his revolutionary contributions, his introduction of calculus, a mathematical framework of unparalleled power and versatility, marked a watershed moment in the annals of scientific history. With the introduction of calculus, Newton endowed scientists with a potent tool that transcended traditional mathematical methods, enabling them to tackle complex problems related to motion, rates of change, and quantities that vary continuously. The mathematical rigor that Newton applied to his scientific inquiries was a hallmark of his work. A commitment to precision, logical reasoning, and meticulous documentation of his findings set him apart as a pioneer of scientific inquiry. Through his rigorous mathematical approach, he crafted a methodological template that will serve as an exemplar for future scientists. Newton's profound reliance on mathematics extended far beyond mere calculus. It fundamentally altered the trajectory of scientific thought. Its mathematical insights and innovations propelled the field of physics into uncharted territories, providing the means to explain and predict natural phenomena with unprecedented accuracy. Through calculus and mathematical rigor, Newton bequeathed to the world a scientific framework that laid the foundation for the modern scientific enterprise, enabling subsequent generations of researchers to explore the frontiers of knowledge with heightened precision and confidence. In essence, Newton's conviction in the power of mathematics was a catalyst for a systemic shift in scientific thinking, resulting in the transformative impact that continues to shape our understanding of the physical world today. His legacy stands as an enduring testament to the indomitable influence of mathematical reasoning and rigor in unraveling the enigmas of nature. The fourth pillar of Isaac Newton's mindset is the systemic approach. Newton's reputation as a scientist of meticulous and methodological disposition was well founded, as he was celebrated for his systemic and systematic structured approach to scientific investigation. His commitment to precision and thoroughness in every aspect of his work left an indelible mark on the scientific method, setting a standard for comprehensive documentation and systematic inquiry that endures to this day. One of the most distinguishing features of Newton's scientific character was his penchant for systematicity. He approached each inquiry with a deliberate, organized mindset, ensuring no detail escaped inquiry and scrutiny. His systematic method was not a mere coincidence, but a deliberate choice, as he recognized that a structured approach was essential for rigorous scientific investigation. A cornerstone of Newton's systematic approach was his unwavering dedication to documentation. Newton meticulously recorded his experiments, observations, and findings exhaustively and precisely. This dedication to documentation was not a perfunctory task, but an integral part of his scientific process, serving as the linchpin of his methodological framework. Newton's commitment to structured documentation created a robust foundation for scientific inquiry. His records served as a comprehensive archive of his thoughts, experiments, and deductions, offering a detailed roadmap for understanding the progression of his investigations. These records were a testament to his unwavering commitment to transparency and intellectual rigor. The structured framework Newton established for scientific inquiry extended beyond the confines of his study. It became a model for future scientists, emphasizing the significance of organized documentation and systematic exploration. His approach enriched our understanding of the natural world and established a template for the scientific method that remains influential in contemporary scientific research. Newton's systematic and methodological approach to scientific investigation was a hallmark of his scientific character. His meticulous documentation and structured framework for inquiry set a standard for rigorous scientific exploration, leaving an enduring legacy that continues to guide and inspire scientists in their pursuit of knowledge and understanding. The fifth pillar of Isaac Newton's mindset is perseverance. Newton's scientific journey was marked by formidable challenges and setbacks that could have daunted even the most stubborn minds. However, his remarkable intellect and unwavering perseverance in the relentless pursuit of knowledge and understanding set him apart and defined his enduring legacy. His determination, an invisible force within his mindset, was a guiding light through the darkest scientific tribulations. Throughout his scientific career, Newton encountered hurdles that might have dissuaded others. He grappled with natural world's complexities, facing insurmountable enigmas. These challenges ranged from deciphering the laws of motion to unraveling the mysteries of the gravity and light. Yet, rather than succumbing to discouragement, Newton harnessed his determination to delve deeper into the unknown, demonstrating that pursuing knowledge often demands resilience in the face of adversity. The setbacks he faced were not solely limited to the intricacies of science. They extended into his personal and professional life as well. Academic rivalries, disputes, and periods of isolation punctuated his journey. Nevertheless, Newton's steadfast determination remained unshaken. He persevered, refusing to be deterred by external obstacles and remained committed to advancing the boundaries of human understanding. Newton's determination was not a fleeting attribute but a defining character of his mindset, the driving force propelling him forward, even when others may have faltered. His unwavering resolve fueled his insatiable curiosity, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and discovery. Ultimately, Newton's legacy is a testament to the enduring power of determination in pursuing knowledge. His determination was a beacon that illuminated the path of scientific inquiry, inspiring generations of scientists to persevere in the face of adversity, to confront the unknown with unwavering resolve, and to embrace challenges as stepping stones towards greater understanding. In the annals of scientific history, Newton's mindset is a reminder that determination coupled with intellect can propel humanity to reach astonishing heights of discovery and innovation. The sixth pillar of Isaac Newton's mindset is his inquisitive nature. Newton's intellectual essence resided in his curious and analytical intellect, which perpetually yearned to fathom the fundamental principles concealed beneath the surface of observed phenomena. His insatiable thirst for understanding was a defining characteristic of his mindset, propelling him toward the essence of the natural world's mysteries. At the core of Newton's intellectual disposition was his relentless curiosity. He possessed an innate inclination to question the world around him, to challenge the status quo, and to scrutinize the workings of the universe with an insatiable hunger for knowledge. His inquisitiveness transformed ordinary observations into profound inquiries, setting the stage for groundbreaking revelations. Newton's analytical insight was an invaluable asset in his quest for understanding. He was able to dissect complex phenomena, breaking them down into their constituent elements and scrutinizing each facet with meticulous precision. This analytical rigor enabled him to navigate the intricacies of the natural world with unparalleled clarity. His relentless pursuit of underlying principles was not limited to a singular scientific discipline, but spanned various fields from mechanics to optics. He sought to distill complex phenomena into elegant, generalizable laws, establishing a unified thread that wove through the fabric of scientific inquiry. Newton's approach to understanding the world was characterized by a profound desire to uncover the fundamental truths that governed natural phenomena. His mindset was a beacon illuminating the path toward the timeless principles that underpin the universe. It was a mindset that beckoned him to delve even deeper into the mysteries of existence, relentlessly seeking the essence beneath the surface. Newton's inquisitive and analytical mind epitomized the spirit of scientific inquiry. His unwavering commitment to understanding the fundamental principles of the natural world was a driving force behind his revolutionary discoveries, leaving an indelible mark on scientific history. His mindset remains an enduring source of inspiration, reminding us of the boundless potential that awaits those approaching the world with curiosity and a relentless thirst for understanding. The seventh pillar of Isaac Newton's mindset is his interdisciplinary thinking. Newton's intellectual stance defined the confines of disciplinary boundaries, representing a profound departure from the siloed approach to knowledge that characterized his era. His contribution to mathematics and astronomy transcended traditional boundaries, illuminating the interconnectedness of these fields and reshape the landscape of human understanding. Newton's intellectual odyssey unfolded across the expansive terrain of physics, mathematics, and astronomy, where his tireless inquiries knew no bounds. Unlike many of his contemporaries who remained confined within the narrow boundaries of their respective disciplines, Newton traversed these domains with a holistic perspective, recognizing the intricate web of the connections that bound them. In the realm of physics, Newton's groundbreaking work on the laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation revolutionized the very foundation of the field. His conceptualization of universal gravitation, which extended its influence on celestial bodies, provided a seamless bridge between terrestrial physics and the cosmos, revealing the intrinsic unity underpinning both. Mathematics, as the language of the universe, held an indomitable allure for Newton. His development of calculus transformed mathematical discourse and became an indispensable tool for describing and analyzing physical phenomena. This mathematical ingenuity transcended the confines of abstract theory, finding concrete application in his investigations of motion, fluctuations, and curvature of space. Astronomy, the study of celestial expanse, beckoned Newton to explore the cosmos beyond terrestrial confines. His profound insights into the motion of celestial bodies and the laws that govern them enriched the field of astronomy, providing astronomers with mathematical framework necessary to comprehend the complexities of the heavens. Newton's interconnected approach to these disciplines symbolized his holistic mindset, which reveled in the interplay of diverse fields of knowledge. He recognized that the boundaries between physics, mathematics, and astronomy were artificial constructs, obscuring the profound unity within the natural world. In summary, Newton's intellectual journey embodied the transcendence of disciplinary boundaries. His profound insights into physics, mathematics, and astronomy revolutionized each field and illuminated the profound connections that bound them together. Newton's mindset serves as a beacon, guiding future generations to embrace the interdisciplinary approach, knowledge, and explore the boundless realms of understanding that lie at the intersection of diverse domains of inquiry. The sixth pillar of Isaac Newton's mindset is practical application. Newton's contributions to the world of science were far from mere theoretical musings. Instead, they bore a distinct and pragmatic relevance to real world applications. His scientific endeavors were marked by an unwavering commitment to translating abstract principles into practical solutions. And one of the most notable examples of this pragmatic approach was his development of calculus to address tangible problems in physics and engineering. Newton's foray into realm of calculus was not a pursuit of mathematical abstraction for its own sake, but a deliberate response to the pressing demands of the real world. He recognized that mathematics could serve as a formidable tool to grapple with the complexities of the physical universe, and he embarked on developing calculus to tackle concrete problems in physics and engineering. Newton's calculus played a pivotal role in elucidating the laws of motion in physics. He harnessed its mathematical machinery to analyze and predict the behavior of objects in motion, providing a systematic framework that underpinned the understanding of mechanics. This mathematical innovation was not an esoteric exercise, but a practical means of unraveling the mysteries of the physical world. Engineering, too, was profoundly influenced by Newton's calculus. Its application extended to practical design and construction, offering engineers a potent mathematical toolbox to address real world challenges. Calculus became an indispensable asset in the construction of bridges, buildings, and other structures, enabling engineers to ensure the safety and stability of their creations. In Newton's emphasis on the practical application of these discoveries underscored his commitment to problem solving. Thank you. His legacy is a reminder that the marriage of theory and application is the cornerstone of progress and human advancement. The seventh pillar of Isaac Newton's mindset is his religious and philosophical exploration. Newton's intellectual pursuits transversed far beyond science, encompassing a diverse tapestry of religion and philosophical inquiry. His insatiable curiosity and profound contemplation extended into these domains, revealing a multifaceted mindset that sought to explore the universe and its underlying principles from many perspectives. Newton's inquisitive spirit, which propelled his scientific inquiries, also propelled him towards profound religious contemplation. His devout faith and theological explorations were integral to his intellectual landscape. He delved into religious texts, seeking to unravel the mysteries of faith and reconcile them with the natural world. His writing on theology, while often private, demonstrated his unwavering quest to understand the relationship between the divine and the earthly. Philosophy, too, beckoned Newton to embark on a journey of intellectual exploration. His philosophical inquiries grappled with fundamental questions about the nature of reality, causality, and essence of existence. These philosophical musings were not isolated from his scientific pursuits, but formed a contemporary tapestry and complementary tapestry that enriched his holistic understanding of the universe. Newton's engagement with religious and philosophical inquiries underscored found interest in the overarching principles that governed existence. He saw these inquiries as interconnected facets of a broader quest to fathom the universe's fundamental truths, recognizing that different lenses of inquiry converge to reveal a more complete understanding of the cosmos. His mindset, characterized by this multidimensional exploration, demonstrated that the pursuit of knowledge extended far beyond the confines of any one discipline. Newton's intellectual voyage exemplified the interconnectedness of diverse fields of inquiry and the capacity of a curious mind to navigate the intricate interplay of science, religion, and philosophy. In summary, Newton's mindset extended beyond the boundaries of science, encapsulated a holistic approach to understanding the universe. His forays into religious and philosophical inquiries showcased a profound and multifaceted curiosity, reflecting a broader interest in uncovering the underlying principles that governed the universe and the cosmos. This multi dimensional mindset serves as a testament to the boundless horizons of human inquiry in illustrating that the quest for knowledge transcends the confines of individual disciplines. The eighth pillar of Isaac Newton's mindset is legacy and mentorship. Newton's intellectual legacy extended beyond his groundbreaking discoveries and personal pursuit, encompassing a deep commitment to mentoring and educating future scientists. His role as a professor and mentor left an indelible mark on the trajectory of scientific thought, shaping the minds of the next generation of thinkers and innovators. As professor, Newton assumed the mantle of educator with unwavering dedication, a genuine belief in the transformative power of education and mentorship characterized his pedagogical approach. Newton recognized that cultivating young minds was instrumental in advancing the frontiers of knowledge and propelling the scientific enterprise forward. Newton's influence on the next generation of thinkers was profound and far reaching. He fostered an intellectual environment that encouraged his students to delve into intricacies of scientific inquiry. Under his tutelage, they were inspired to explore the natural world's mysteries and embrace the rigorous methods that had defined Newton's scientific journey. One of the hallmarks of Newton's mentorship was his emphasis on empirical observation and experimentation. He instilled in his students a deep appreciation for scientific method, encouraging them to engage with the physical world through rigorous observation and systematic inquiry. This commitment to empirical investigation became a lasting legacy, his mentorship. Beyond the confines of the classroom, Newton's influence extended into the scientific community, and his mentees became influential scientists in their own right. His mentorship paved the way for disseminating his ideas and methodologies, perpetuating his legacy through his students' work. Newton's mindset as an educator and mentor exemplified a commitment to nurturing the intellectual growth of a scientist. His legacy as a professor and influencer of young minds remains an enduring testament to his dedication to advancing human knowledge. Through his mentorship, he ensured that the spirit of scientific inquiry will continue to flourish, guiding the next generation of thinkers along the path of discovery and innovation. The ninth pillar of Isaac Newton's mindset is modesty. In the face of his momentous and monumental contributions to science, Sir Isaac Newton maintained a remarkable sense of modesty, as evidenced by his famous declaration, and I quote, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." This poignant statement encapsulates the essence of Newton's mindset, characterized by a profound sense of humility, intellectual indebtedness, and enduring commitment to scientific progress. His mindset, marked by a unique blend of curiosity, independent thought, mathematical precision, and unwavering dedication to systematic inquiry, forged the bedrock of modern physics and science. Newton's approach to unraveling the natural world's mysteries is a perennial source of inspiration for scientists and thinkers across generations. Newton's humility was a defining trait of his character. Despite his groundbreaking discoveries and intellectual prowess, he humbly acknowledged the debt he owed to those who had preceded him. His recognition of the contributions of earlier thinkers underscored his belief that scientific progress is a cumulative endeavor, with each generation building upon insights of their predecessors. This humility mindset shaped his inquiry approach and set a precedent for the collaborative spirit underpinning scientific research. In conjunction with his humility, Newton's mindset was imbued with a boundless curiosity that knew no bounds. His insatiable thirst for understanding propelled him to pose profound questions about the natural world and embarked on a lifelong quest for. This curiosity was the driving force behind his scientific inquiries, igniting the flames of exploration and discovery. Newton's commitment to independent thought was another hallmark of his mindset. He possessed an innate inclination to challenge established conventions and explore uncharted territories of knowledge. His willingness to chart his intellectual course free from the constraints of conformity enabled him to forge new pathways in scientific inquiry. Mathematical precision was an integral facet of Newton's mindset. Isaac Newton recognized the power of mathematics as a tool for deciphering the universe's secrets, and leveraging its precision to formulate his groundbreaking laws of motion and universal gravity. His mathematical rigor elevated his scientific work, unprecedented accuracy, and predictive power. A dedication to systematic inquiry permeated every facet of Newton's scientific endeavors. He meticulously documented experiments, observations, findings, and creating a structured framework that facilitated a deep and comprehensive understanding of the natural world. This systematic approach became a template for scientific inquiry, emphasizing the significance of systematic investigation. Newton's enduring influence on the world of science and thought is a testament to the timeless relevance of his mindset. His legacy resonates with scientists and thinkers today, inspiring them to embrace the principles of curiosity, independent thinking, mathematical precision, and systematic inquiry in their pursuits of knowledge. In this way, Newton's mindset continues to shape the trajectory of scientific progress, reminding us that the quest for understanding is a never ending journey marked by humility, curiosity, and a steadfast commitment to uncovering the hidden truths of the universe. In conclusion, the Isaac Newton mindset is a timeless testament to the enduring human spirit of inquiry and the pursuit of knowledge. It is a guiding compass that points us towards the uncharted territories of understanding, where curiosity is the navigator and mathematics is the language of revelation. Throughout our exploration of this mindset, we have learned that its foundation is built upon the pillars of patience and persistence. In the face of every enigma, it teaches us to approach problems as puzzles, inviting us to employ creativity and rigor in the quest for solution. It is a mindset that bears witness to the wisdom of those who have journeyed before us, reminding us that the ability to see further is an inheritance we must cherish and build upon. Above all, the Isaac Newton mindset instills within us the belief that knowledge is a powerful catalyst for innovation, propelling us to reach for new horizons and stretch the boundaries of our understanding. It inspires us to embrace a lifelong journey in pursuit of truth, recognizing that each discovery is a stepping stone towards greater enlightenment. Isaac Newton's work revolutionized our understanding of the physical world and remains fundamental to many scientific disciplines today. Isaac Newton's work laid the groundwork for the scientific revolution and left an indelible mark on the history of science. As we navigate the world's complexities, Isaac Newton's mindset reminds and remains a guiding star, illuminating our path with the simplicity of elegant ideas and the precision of mathematics. It is an enduring legacy that continues to shape the course of human progress, beckoning us to unlock the mysteries of nature and explore the wonders of the universe with unyielding determination and unquenchable curiosity. Isaac Newton resonates with a rich historical and intellectual significance. His legacy encapsulates the essence of the scientific revolution, a pivotal period marked by the rise of empirical science and the rejection of tradition faith-based explanations in favor of evidence-based inquiry. Newton's enduring impact is exemplified by his laws of pillars of scientific principle. These laws clarify the fundamental mechanics governing the motion and interaction of objects, while his law of universal gravitation unveiled the cosmic forces shaping the celestial bodies. Newton's brilliance as a scientific luminary transcends generations, earning him a place among history's foremost geniuses. His revolutionary work not only reshaped the fields of physics and astronomy, but also reverberated throughout various scientific disciplines. Beyond his scientific contributions, Newton's intellectual curiosity extended to philosophy and alchemy, imprinting profound insights on epistemological questions and the philosophy of science, while potentially embellished. The enduring myth of the apple and gravity serves as a potent symbol of Newton's insatiable curiosity and moments of serendipitous inspiration, reminding us of a scientist deeply connected to the natural world's mysteries. In synopsis, Isaac Newton conjures the image of a polymathic figure whose legacy encompasses the epochal scientific revolution, fundamental laws governing our universe, an enduring genius that continues to inspire profound philosophical musings, an iconic anecdote that encapsulates his unwavering commitment to the pursuit of scientific knowledge. Thank you. This is Dr. Masasekane, author, director of Fresh Thinking Brain Science. Thank you. Thank you.